Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Nathan from MyCryptoParadise, and in this video we will be analyzing the ChainLink. This is the coin which is the currently top 10 by the total market capitalization, and current market cap is over $5 billion. This is quite a large capitalization, and being so high in the rankings, obviously it attracts a lot of attention by many traders and institutions. So recently what is happening? The price is overall declining. This is not a big decline, but let's have a look at the price action through the TradingView platform. Now you see the ChainLink against the Tether USDT. Basically this is on the top left hand corner, and we're looking at the 1 hour time frame. First off, the price has been moving within the ascending channel, but then we had the break below the channel. So basically we broke below the support, but we found the support at the previous level of resistance. You can see there was a resistance at $13.25. Then we had this minor resistance yet again, then breakout, correction. So we had this rejection of this level, which became the support, obviously, previously was the resistance. Right now we corrected down towards this support once again. Now this is very important, that price produced spikes, yet it failed to close below with confidence. This means that the buyers are still defending this level. And this implies that there is still a buying pressure, and the scenario for the uptrend continuation holds higher probability in comparison to the downtrend. What we have also at this bottom is the formation of the bullish divergence on the MACD oscillator. We also see the break below the downtrend trend line as well, right there, and price yet again corrected down right now, and it's finding the support at 61.8 Fips, which I have applied to this last move to the upside which occurred within the channel. So we have 61.8 support rejection today. Could be that the reversal to the upside, maybe it's possible, but I think for this sort of scenario we need to break above this resistance, which is 50% Fips at $15.46. This will confirm that the higher high and higher low pattern is in place, which might validate the uptrend. At this moment, as long as this support holds, bulls will be in control. So it's a more of a bullish case rather than the bearish case. But as I said, we need to break above this resistance because we rejected the 50% Fips and we're rejecting the channel as well. You can see the lower trend line of the ascending channel has been rejected. We definitely need the break above. Then maybe there will be a correction. So this is the scenario that might take place. Basically this sort of correction, and then we will see some sort of a move. In regards to the potential for this move, I think that the price could be heading towards $20 area, which is a very strong psychological level. And besides, if we go on the daily time frame, this is the previous top. So we are very likely to retest this top established back in August 2020. Now, in regards to the downside potential, if we break lower below this low, bulls are likely to give up, and only then we are gonna go lower, potentially towards the $10 level. But in this sort of price action, it's still a bullish case. Now let's look at the link against the Bitcoin. So starting with a 1 hour chart, and yet again what we can see is the bullish divergence forming right there. So price is moving down and MACD is starting to rise. Besides, we had rejection of the 61.8 Fips at 40k Satoshis, which also implies that this could have been the support that is established. Besides, here we had the rejection of this level, rejection again, rejection, minor rejection, and its support. So a clear supply demand area, which currently is acting as the demand area, obviously a support. Considering that we had this fib rejection, it's very likely that the price will be attempting to go higher. Now let's go to the higher time frame, And on this chart, which is 8-hour chart, just made it for convenience, so the price fitting here, we have a downtrend trend line. What we see is the rejection of the 38.2 Fibs at 48k Satoshis. There was a very clean bounce. So this is clearly a resistance which has been rejected, price produced spiked, yet failed to close above. So we are still in the bearish market for the ChainLink against Bitcoin, but we had the bullish divergence right there on this minor correction. And what we also have is the break above the trend line, which also corresponds, this breakout point corresponds to 61.8 Fibs. So there is this breakout suggesting that the price might be going up. Nonetheless, for this, we need again to produce a higher high. And then we could be seeing this move to the upside. How far it might take us? Well, the most likely price would be at this top, at this high, which is the second point used to draw the trend line. And this is the level at 68,000 Satoshis approximately. At this stage, it is most probably will be a range trading within this zone between 45 and 40,000 Satoshis. But considering that we have bullish divergence, we have the support rejection, it's likely to go up. Now let's have a look at Bitcoin dominance. This is the daily time frame. And we can clearly see that the price is very, very bullish on the Bitcoin dominance. And we can clearly see that the Bitcoin dominance is extremely bullish. There was the break above the channel, but then price corrected down sharply. And if we see this correction, if we compare it, you can see that there is a lot more volatility going on, which might result in several scenarios. Well, first off, we might be breaking below this uptrend trend line, which has been rejected right there. It has been rejected a few days ago, and we might be reaching the previous level of support because it still hasn't been tested. So I think we might be doing this retest, slow move to the downside, and then we might be having even stronger move down. But still, this support is a key level, I think, in the medium term. And in order for the Bitcoin dominance to move lower, we definitely need to have a clean break below. For now, it's a bullish trend, but after massive ride, we should be seeing some sort of consolidation. I don't think there will be an immediate trend for the Bitcoin dominance, immediate continuation or immediate reversal. So the consolidation is the most likely scenario, because for the uptrend to continue, we definitely need to break above the high, then wait for the correction and so on. But right now, we need to see this support, if price will test it, and what will be the outcome. Because what we see is that Bitcoin dominance is currently rejecting the upper trend line of the channel, which could be acting as the resistance, and we are rejecting the uptrend trend line, which is acting as the support. And seems just like a consolidation will be going on. And we hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you soon with yet another analysis for another cryptocurrencies. So till next time, and good luck in your trading.